I started this business, Rick's Lock and Key, back 35 years ago. We have since grown to where we have 18 trucks on the road, have 24 employees. We accomplished that by good, fast service. We treat our customers as we ourselves want to be treated. We will not ever be accused of overcharging, ripping off people. AAA has had confidence in us for 30 years. We are full service locksmith. We also guarantee everything we do. My employees know that I appreciate them, and they in turn show their appreciation by doing good professional work. We do have a service if a baby is locked in the car. We are used by the police a lot. I also contribute every month to St. Jude Hospital. Word of mouth in the Chattanooga area and surrounding areas. We are well respected, but that is something we have worked to achieve. And when people want a locksmith, we want them to want us because of past work, reputation, price, quick service. We promise it, we deliver it.